Hi, I'm Gabriel and this is Learning English Path. And in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to talk about love. And I'll give you 7 idioms about love. Love me, love my dog. 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 What does this mean? It means that if you want to be with me, if you say you love me, and if you want to be with me, you have to accept all of my flaws, okay? All the things that are not perfect about me. If you love me, you need to accept me for everything that I am. Love me, love my dog. Puppy love. Puppy love means an immature kind of love. It's usually the kind of love felt by 2 teenagers who they really like each other, but it might not really be love yet. It's just a strong infatuation. You like each other a lot, but it's not love. Blinded by love. If you're blinded by love, it means that you can be convinced to do a lot of things that are probably not in your best interest. You can be led astray. Someone who you love, if you're in love with someone, then you might follow that person, or you might do strange things because you're in love, and so that love blinds you on your path, right? Blind date. Okay, this is not the same kind of thing as being blinded by love. It's not like being blinded by a date, okay? If you're on a blind date, it means that you are going on a date with someone who you have never seen before. So a friend might set you up with a date, someone to go on a date with. And the friend knows the other person, but you don't know the person. So you're going to meet for the first time on the date, okay? That's a blind date. Oh, pop the question. If you pop the question, it means that you ask someone to marry you. You pop the question, because it's a very important question. So it's often known as the question. Tie the knot. Tie the knot. If you tie the knot, that means you get married. You're tied together and you can't get away because you're married. Okay? If you want to know many, many more of these idioms, and if you maybe want to ask someone out on a date, or if you want to know what to say on a date, or you want to know how to tell someone that you love them in English, this is a very valuable skill, and I have a course which you can get for very cheap if you buy it with me, okay? It's my course called Learning English for Dating, and it takes you through many, many different situations and gives you a lot of language that's very useful to you if you want to date someone and use English, okay? So you can get that in the description for a much cheaper price than you can get anywhere else. And there's no other course like this, okay? No other course will give you the opportunity to use the language to ask someone on a date and talk to someone on the date and go through all of that, right? Okay, so if you want that, get it in the description. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I give away a lot of free lessons here. And give it a like, share it with a friend, and keep going.